Exactly, Nupur. Right now we are standing in workshop of Panchkula Transport Department, where I can show you that these mini buses, 5 mini buses from each district has been converted into the ambulances, and in fact total number is 110 mini buses from the state of Haryana has been turned into the ambulances and will be handed over to the health department. You can see these are the mini buses that converted into the ambulance, and in fact I can show you the inside visuals, just because, Nupur, every day the reports are coming that the private players from the ambulances are charging very high from the patients to ferry from one place to another. And one of the biggest example was that a patient was transferred from Gurgaon to Ludhiana by charging 1,20,000. After taking the note of these incidents, now the Haryana Transport Department has converted these mini buses into the ambulances. You can see this 4-bedded mini bus with 2 oxygen cylinders. Every possible facility is being provided in this mini bus, and in fact these mini buses are specially converted into the ambulances, and a team of doctors from each health department of each district has recommended these kind of facilities to be available in the mini buses. You can see cylinders will also be available, just because in any case of urgency, if the patient requires oxygen, that would be provided on the spot. And for the attendants, for the patient's attendants, there are 4 seats installed in this mini bus so they can travel with the patients also. For all the 4 beds will be having the disposable bed sheets, so that after ferrying one single patient from each bed, so that bed sheet will be changed accordingly, just because these mini buses, these mini ambulances will be pressed into the services for the COVID-19 patients. And even, Nupur, the entire expense of these mini ambulances will be borne by the transport department. First aid kit, a separate box for the mask, and even the drivers from the transport department will be available 24/7. And today itself these mini buses will be handed over to the health department, so that the patients can be taken from one place to another through these ambulances. This is the initiative that has been taken by the transport department after witnessing such incidents. In fact, they have also a separate box of PPE kits, just because there is a separate box of PPE kits which the doctors will avail this, and in fact this was separately installed. Every facility in this ambulance is being installed by the transport department, with constructing these beds and these cylinders and fixing them inside this ambulance. You can see this mini bus is all ready to ferry the patient, COVID-19 patient, from one place to another. Now 110 these such kind of mini ambulances will be on the road and taking the patients from one place to another, just because this will be handed over to the health department, and further the health department will take the call that what would be the charges for one ambulance and for one patient to move for the movement from one place to another. And this would be big help, just because the government will charge according to the government rates only, so that the private players should not exploit the patients who wanted to move their patients. In fact, I can show you the workshop where it has been, these mini buses has prepared and installed certain facilities. This is the workshop, and even 110 ambulances has been converted from mini buses. Earlier they were the local buses. They ferry the passengers from one place to another locally in each district, but now since they are very in well condition, so they have decided to convert into the ambulances. Everything is in place now, every single thing, just because all the efforts are to facilitate the COVID-19 patients. And even especially after that incident, that from Gurgaon to Ludhiana, 350 kilometers, and the price was 1,20,000. That was a turning point of this private players who are charging high, and even the government has upped their antenna so that they can protect and they can facilitate the patients of COVID-19, and by providing these mini buses. And in fact, from today itself, these buses will be handed over to the health department. Further, the local health department will take the call that how these mini ambulances will be utilized. Yes.